Updating apps on Chromebook is very useful. You want to get the latest features, and also you want to make sure that the apps that you're using are perfectly safe and not vulnerable to any attacks or does have a security risk. So this is how you can update an app on your Chromebook device. First, you can open Google Play Store. And after that, you want to select your profile picture. You can click on the icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now it's going to open this menu. You can navigate to manage apps and device. And you can click manage. And by the way, you can also go to click this option, but we're going to go to manage, which is basically the same thing. And here, if you click updates available, it will filter all the apps on your device and will show you the apps that needed to be updated. Now you can see that there are 4 different apps that needs to be updated. So I will try maybe updating speech recognition and synthesis. So you can either just select these apps and you can perform update, or you can also just click on an app. Sorry about that. You can click on an app. For example, I click that app and I can click update and it will instantly update that app. So it's really as simple as that. And again, you can also just go back and go to the update section where you can basically update all the apps that are listed in the system. On the FRV menu, there is an updating tool here. You can just click update all and it's going to update all the outdated apps on your Chromebook device. And by the way, by default, the apps on the Chromebook will be updated automatically. But in case you find a lot of apps are not updated, then you want to make sure that you are allowing whatever connection you have on the Chromebook to update the apps. So for example, if I go back here, okay, now I'm going to go back to the icon, sorry, the profile picture again. And you want to navigate to settings. Go to settings right here. And you can click network preferences and auto update apps. You want to click it. And here you can, you want to make sure that update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So there are some cases where you might be only using Wi-Fi when updating apps, but in case you are sometimes using mobile data, then you want to make sure that the update will happen regardless of the connection. So that's how you can update an app on your Chromebook device. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if that's so, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Have a great day and take care.